Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by elevating privileges because Windows Security Center requires admin rights to change services. Open an elevated command, prompt, and check that Remote Procedure Call and Windows Update are running and set to automatic. These dependencies are why the Security Center often won't start. Once done, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall that could block service registration. You're not uninstalling them, you're just removing interference while you restart and repair the system components. Next, you'll target the service and any corrupted system files. Use SC query and SC, start to attempt starting WSC SVC and Security Health Service. Record any error codes you see because they guide the fix. Then run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files that the service depends on. After that, inspect the registry keys under hklm/system/current control set/services for WSCS. Finish by rebooting immediately so repaired components and registry changes take effect, then open services. MSC and confirm the Security Center, WSCSVC, is running and set to automatic, delayed start if preferred. Re-enable any antivirus or firewall you turned off and verify Security Center detects their status. If the service still won't start, create a fresh local administrator account and test there. Profile corruption can block services. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, note the exact SC or Event Viewer error code and search for that specific code next.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.